Assalamualaikum and everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel. My channel name is Awais Kayani. मेरे YouTube चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में दिए गए बेल आइकन के बटन को भी दबा दें ताकि इस चैनल पर आने वाली हर नई से नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। तो चलो एवरीवन, बढ़ते हैं यहाँ पे नई वीडियो की जानिब। आज मैं आपको हाउ टू अर्न मनी ऑन यूट्यूब के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। We are expanding the YouTube partner program YPP to more creators with earlier access to fan funding and shopping features. The expanded YouTube partner program is available to eligible creators in CAGB, KR, TW and US. The expansion is rolling out over the next month to eligible creators in AR, AT, COCRD, DOD, SEC, SV and UI. If you are in one of the country's regions above, check out the articles to learn more about the changes to YPP. If you are not in one of the country's regions above, there are no changes to the YouTube Partners program for you. You can view this article for the YPP overview, eligibility and application instruction relevant to you. Check if you are eligible for the expanded YouTube Partner program. If you are not eligible, by it select GT notified in the earn area of YouTube Studio. We will send you an email once we have rolled the expanded YPP program to you and you have reached the eligibility thresholds. Due to the ongoing war in Ukraine, we will be temporarily pushing Google and YouTube ads from servers to users located in Russia. You can earn money on YouTube by applying for and being accepted to the YouTube Partner Program. Only channels that follow our YouTube channel monetizations policy may be able to monetize. A few notes: we won't tell you what you can create on YouTube, but we do have a responsibility to do right by our viewers, creators and advertisers. If you are in the YouTube Partner program, you can earn money through YouTube. When in the YouTube Partner program, we hold you to a higher standard to make sure we are rewarding good creators. We review your channel before you are accepted in the YouTube Partner program. We also consistently review channels to make sure you are meeting all our policies and guidelines too. You may be liable to pay tax on your earnings from YouTube. Find out more below. Ways to make money in the YouTube Partner program. You can make money on YouTube through the following features: restricting revenue, earn revenues from watch page ads, एंड शॉर्ट फीड्स एंड आप सबको मेरी वीडियो बहुत पसंद आएगी। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।